Yes, good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing this morning? I'm good. Anyone absent?
No one.
Right. Okay, students, let's say for instance, you have an iron. This is a rectangle tubes, an iron. Then now you want it to bend it. Let's say I want to bend it 90 degree or 45 degree. What do you think I should do to bend this iron tube? Yes.
What if you hit it up first? You hit it up.
You hit it, and then you can bend it. Bend it.
And when you hit it up, it will become a bit soft.
Okay. Then you can bend. Okay. Any other ideas? All right. Today we are going to, by the end of the lesson, we're going to learn how to fabricate a tubing using a copper tube. That's what you're gonna learn today. Right. Students, what type of bend that you know? No one can tell me the type of bends that you know? Yes? Sion?
There's spring type bender,
Spring bender,
lever type bender,
river type bender,
hinge.
and the hinge bender. Okay, good, excellent. Anyone have other ideas or other types of bends? Alright, it's correct. Those are the type of bend we usually using in our industry, in the air conditioning and the refrigeration. We are using those type of bends. Right. When do we need to use these bends? Juniors.
I think maybe when you want to make a cave, maybe.
When you want to make a cave. Zebul? When should we use the bend?
You can use it.
Sion, help him.
No, we can use the bender only to turn the direction.
Excellent. Let's say you can also use the bend when maybe you want to go this direction, then you see it's broke, so you want to turn the direction, so you can turn other direction. Where you want it to go, it's broke, or like maybe there's a slab, you cannot drill through the slab, then you have to turn it away from the slab. Right. Good. Here we have our bender. That's a lever bender. Now, on these benders, how we use it? You hold it like this. There's a zero here. That one, which one you can see. Then you insert your pipe into this rail here. Insert your pipe, and now here you have a numbers, which from 0 to 30. So it depends what lenses they put it on. And these numbers, now it's your degrees. What degree you want to turn your bends or your pipe. So now you put your pipe here and you hold it with the bends, steadily hold. Then now you turn the ends here. You have to mark your pipe on what it must be very straight. Then your mark must be on the end here, and you make sure your zero is turned straight. When you bend up to your mark. Yeah, but you make sure you are on what? On the degree that you select that you need to bend. Right. And we have also a spring bend. The spring bend means that your pipe, you have to insert your pipe into the spring. You insert into inside here, then now you can also bend your pipe as much as the degree you want. That now you don't have to measure the same way. Here you have a degree, here you have to control with your own hands what degree you want. You want the 45, you want the 90, 110 or so. That depends on what you want. Then we have a hinge bend. So also it's mostly this one is a suffix one. Also you bend it like the application is the same like here, but it does not have the degrees or the measurement where you will need to turn your pipe. All what you have to know is you want to turn your 90 or so, then you put your pipe here, it's been hold here, and you just apply your force. This one you apply a little bit of force. Yeah, mostly it's been used in electrical industry or even in refrigeration. You want to run your wire to your air cons, and it's on the surface. You know, you need to put up those galvanized pipe. So you have to use this one. You cannot put your pipe running on surface using like PVC pipes. So maybe you are required to use galvanized, depending on what area you are working. Then you can apply this one. We have also another we don't have it here, but I can still explain to you. We have also it's a spring bend, but you can also insert into your pipe. Here now is the pipe that we are inserting in the spring bend, but the one we are having you are inserting into your pipe. But now what happens? You put up your wire. You put up a wire here, because when it goes into the pipe, you are easy to lose it. So what will happen now? You have to put a wire, and that wire must be long enough so that you cannot fall into the pipe. Then you cannot reach the area where you want to bend. Usually what happens, you measure your pipe. Can I have a piece of pipe here? See? Let's say this is the pipe I want to bend here, and this I want to make my bend here. What you do before you put it in, you put like here in the center of your pipe where you want to bend, and then you mark. Then here must be a wire. This wire goes up to here, and now you bend your wire. You insert your pipe, your spring, but make sure here you mark it, and it should be in the center of your spring. Then you pull in. I mean you push in, and then your wire also mark it here. Then now you can bend it. You can even use your hand. You can use your knee. Depends how you want to do it. Then after you bend, you can just easily pull it off. That's now the spring that we are using, that goes inside the pipe. Right, put it back there. Okay, students. Now it's time for our assessment, class activity. I will need to prepare something for the book. You need to do your class activity. And just tell me how to give me something to put on this. Just to put two small wires. You need to make a hole. Yes. Break between. Okay, this is our class activity. Okay, another piece of wire. Bring it on between. You are required to discuss this, and just need the measurement. Make sure that when you are fabricating this, it should be done as per the Right. This is our class activity. The time we have to spend about 10 minutes. Total marks or 10 marks. Then you have your here you attend to construct a tube big shape. Use copper tube 3/8. This is our 3/8 as per the sketch below. So again, as we are saying, it's total marks. The sketch is clear, your measurements, how you bend it. So I want to see such shape. And you can see here how we join it. This one piece completely up to there, another piece complete up to there. So one can start, you can discuss as a team, and then manufacture or fabricate that shape. You may start. Next up, you can discuss 3-3. Time, please start. Time. It's not on our side.
Nothing.
You have to go for another class. Please.
Pen. Start like this. Start like this.
Yeah.
Take from the drain, 120. Take from the drain, 120. From the drain, 120. Make it 120, then you don't. Then from there, from 120, you can do it.
Time, students. Start, please. Time is not on our side. We have to attend another class.
Bend it.
Yeah.
This is what. This is bend 60.
Time, please. Time. Who can try? Who can try? Help each other.
Use this one.
Okay.
Just bend it that way. 30. There's no machine here, bro. It's all like that.
What's it, guys? Please, time.
Okay, that's the thing, man.
Help each other.
You are correct.
No, don't waste the pipe. Don't cut the pipe.
350.
The pipe is enough to do your practical work. Don't waste the material. Continue, press.
350. Then you cut this frame. Okay, 90.
Right, students, let me help you out here. Let's just come here so that we can discuss together. Right, right, let me bend this one. Let me just help you. You take your bend. Right, let's hold your bend right. And now here we need to bend our 90 degree. If you look here at the last here, there's this holder. The bend you have to go here and hold it. Okay, bend there. Pipe. Bend your 90 degree there. Let me show you bend your 90 degree there. Now we are okay, then you remove it off. Remove it off. There. So now can you see that we are already having our up to there. So now we only need a 45 from here upwards. Just to bend the plate there. And your pipe bit. Yes, as we said, you have to make sure you a little bit out there. Make sure you bend it. 50. Okay. If we put up here, can we not see our surface? It's there. So practically that's what we need to do. Okay, while we are here, any question? Any questions? Students, any question?
How many degrees is it from here, from this bend?
Here we can bend 45 or
45.
yeah. Bend 45. Just a trap. 45, then you go there, then you have your 90 there. Another 45 there, you got the 60 there. So another 60 here. The two corners, then you have 45 here. Then 90, 90. Other question? Right. Our next topic, we are going to learn more, to learn how to switch. Now today we make our joints here. So now we are going to learn how to blaze them. We're going to weld it. We are going to weld on those joints. So when you fabricate your tubing, or when you made your piping, so now you need to braze it or to weld it, so that you can do your work. Right. That's our next topic. Tomorrow, you guys, when you go home, that's your homework. You should get into your books and learn more about brazing or weldings using copper tubes. Right. Any other questions before we close? With the absence of questions, we end our class today and we meet tomorrow. Have a good day.